Hello guys, let us start our conversation about tree talk.
Tree? I am no tree.
T-R-E top, tree top. Got it?
Never heard a tree talk before.
Yeah, TikTok is a fool. No, don't eat them. TikTok is our friends. Our friends.
You don't have any friends. You just have a neighborhood Spider-Man.
What about them? They're fresh.
Get back to little boys. Tabletop are not for eating.
They build something that useful for our kitchen. They are shiny like the light and Reindeer.
So, ladies and gentlemen, do you prefer to order their service? It's hard to believe, surely. If your matter is wanting to order the service from the tabletop builder, you should be more carefully like my friend Sherlock Holmes.
That's what's it, Watson. You see the price. I have returned from my grave to fulfill my destiny to find the best quality and best price for my tabletop.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh. The price is cheap. I gotta call my brother. I gotta call my housekeeper. I gotta call my lawyer.
Forgot my layer.
Legolas, how many days they finish their tabletop? I hope it's strong like rocks.
Argon have told me they'll finish only in 3 days. Oh, what? You gotta kid me.
How fast is that, Mary? Are they coming to work always on time? Never late for once?
Street workers are never late for a begging.
Yeah, if you precisely want to be like them, you shall not pass.
Halo semua, tak boleh cakap Melayu ke? TikTok ini dari Kuantan, tahu tak?
Ini memang menarik tau. Dia orang boleh buat tabletop dengan kualiti terbaik punya mah. Kalau kau orang suka tabletop tu untuk dapur kau orang. If you prefer to order it, Peter, you just click the link down here.
Yeah, you know, that was good. I should tell my son. I would like to tell everybody new about tabletop. Everybody.
Okay guys, that's enough. Let's close our conversation here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I see you later in my grave.